While staying at home, you can participate in the IAAC, the international competition. Yeah, it's true. Can't you believe it? The International Astronomy and Astrophysics Competition, IAAC, is bringing this opportunity for you. Hello everyone, this is Siddique, the official ambassador of International Astronomy and Astrophysics Competition. It's a greatest opportunity for you. Here I'm bringing a greatest opportunity, that is, you can participate in this international competition, which is so much prestigious and also really is too much prestigious, and it will just make your resume CV too much high steam if you're just going to connect one level up more. If you can just participate there, and also you can just make any level, you can pass any level, this will really show you a greatest thing that you are going to participating, and also this will make your CV resume more higher and also more valuable. So why are you waiting? So as the ambassador, write my name Samama Siddique and also get any kind of help. And also the last thing, I'm going to arrange a webinar, and it's like a webinar and workshop through the universal astronomical community. And in this workshop you will be just updating, you will be knowing some of the things, that means you will be just knowing about some astronomy and astrophysics things, some theories that will help you to solve these questions, and just solve this 5 question and make your level up, test your level, and make your resume, make yourself more valuable. Thanks for watching.